Hey guys, welcome back to the homestead here. Just heading out to the garden this morning. Glad you guys are with us. We'll take you out here as we go out and prepare to harvest some potatoes. You have a digger.
I do.
Madeline, are you helping dig up potatoes?
Yes.
Look at that. She's gonna be a great little garden helper.
Kind of. I don't necessarily want her digging around in my beds.
So, here we are.
So, unfortunately, this bed, though it was a good producer, about every other potato or every 2 potatoes I have to throw out because a rat has eaten part of it. So the chickens are getting those. The further I go this direction, the less I have rat interference, which is great, and the potatoes get bigger.
Yeah.
But it's okay. We have 2 more beds, and I already have taken 10 pounds of potatoes out of the gardens already. So anyway, this is a russet potato, I believe. I don't know if I like the potato, how it turns out, but we'll see. We will see.
And there's some of the potatoes right there.
The other ones are
You
already
protecting those, Maddie?
Yeah, I'm trying to keep her from eating them, so.
Yeah, she doesn't seem to be too interested.
Well, she was. But this is what she really wants to do, is help me dig.
Yeah, she wants to dig.
Yeah. She wants to dig. So.
Maddie.
But I'm going all the way down as far as I want to go. Come on, Maddie. Then I go to the other side and see what's here.
Not much on that one.
They're not coming out with potatoes on them.
Never felt time
I'm trying to.
like I do now. I never wanted it so much to stay. I never knew love before you, and now I'm trying to hold on in every way. So when I'm scared, you bring me courage. And this love is a terrifying thing. But when you call me, I'll answer. And if you need someone to hold your hand, and when you're lonely, I'll be there.
We have a lot of new beds this year, so yeah. So we'll have. Look at those. That.
It's your smile when you're dancing.
Look at that.
So we're getting way better yield at this end of the bed, which is encouraging to me that maybe it's not our method but our pests.
These memories will bring me back, will bring me back.
All right, I'm gonna go on this other side and get this stuff.
Madeline.
Oh, she's just having a grand time.
Yeah. She seems to be more entertained by the kittens down here.
Oh,
Yes, we do.
I have sweat dripping off my face.
Oh, Maddie. She is the big helper.
So I think our other bed still yielded more than this one.
Yeah.
I'm almost done. Madeline, you cutie patootie. Look at these beets. They all need to be harvested.
Yeah. At least she enjoys hanging out here.
Oh, she wants to be wherever I am.
Look at those ones.
Those are nice.
I mean, we're getting a nice little collection there.
Yeah, it's not enough for a season, you know, like to last us till next season, but we're just starting out, so I'm going to take this as a win.
Yeah.
For sure.
I mean, we're just throwing last year's potatoes in there and seeing what we can get.
Yeah.
Like, come on,
there's
play.
Potatoes in there. So, I think I need to plant like Swiss chard in here. Because I don't want to do another root vegetable in here.
All right, guys. So we were able to get this bed here, which it didn't turn out too bad. This is how many potatoes we have so far. Gloria's just finishing up there with Maddie on the last little bit of the bed there, but this bed didn't turn out as good as we had hoped it would.
Well, this also has first year. And,
Yeah.
oh, she's eating these potatoes.
Oh.
Hadley.
All right, so are those good potatoes?
Yes.
She got one in her mouth. Sometimes she helps with the digging, and is a good helper, but occasionally she's a little naughty and gets a potato.
More than occasionally.
So, anyway,
Hey, don't bite me.
we're just finishing up here on these 3 beds here. I think we would have liked to see a better harvest from the potatoes, but I think we have a game plan going into next year to help kind of facilitate a better harvest.
Well, I'm not disappointed in our harvest. Do I wish we got more? Yes.
Of course.
By far. Oh, she's got a potato.
Maddie.
Oh, Madeline, come on. Rawr, rawr, rawr. You're gonna sleep good.
She will sleep good.
Anyway, we need to wrap this up because it's starting to rain, but
Yeah.
this bed did not produce as well as the other bed, and that bed didn't produce as well as the other bed. However, we've got probably twice as much as we got last year.
We do.
So it's a win. But this bed I could have left longer, but I didn't because we're going out of town and it's riddled with potato bugs. And they're killing the plants before the potatoes have a chance to really get big. So I think if I had left this one till maybe before the first frost, we might have had more potatoes in it. So in all fairness, I don't think it's a loss other than the fact that I'm trying to mitigate our potato bug issue from last year that we had. And they're just starting, so if I get them out of here, I won't plant in the same beds next year, but I can maybe mitigate that. And then I'm going to start putting rabbit manure in these beds. And I think I'm also going to put in, she's resting, I'm also going to put in maybe some Swiss chard or lettuce or things that can return in its value that can go into the colder parts of fall, because we are heading into August and the temperature is only going to start going down from mid-August on out. So I want to make sure that we get good germination on the head and finish in the cold. So I'm going to wrap up this bed. I don't know how many pounds of potatoes we got. I'm guessing probably around 40 pounds of potatoes, and I think it's a pretty safe guess because I have a box, that was 10 pounds of potatoes in it. I'm not going to weigh all of them out, I don't have the type of skill to do that. But I'm gonna get a few probably teeny little purple potatoes out of this bed and go from there. But we got a nice variety.
Yes, we do. I think we got a nice variety of purple, red, and russet and white. So I think too, next year having all the additional garden beds, we're going to be able to potentially maybe grow some more beds of potatoes if we decide that that's what we want to do in regards to getting more of a harvest, or we just keep it the same. And with the amendments to the soil, I think that has also been one of the challenges that we've had this year. We've brought in garden bed soil and compost and kind of mixed it together as best we could, but I think it's still kind of needing that more manure and more organic matter in the soil to kind of help facilitate better growth and better harvest. So either way, I think it is a win. It's more than last year, and we're so glad for that. I think each year the garden seems to get a little bit better, and that was one of our priorities this year, was to make sure that we got all the put more attention into the garden area and the garden beds. Hence, adding so many more beds to the garden this year, because last year it was just these ones here, and we had a couple patches out here that we grew stuff in, and then we added more beds back there. So this next year we'll have even more growing space to grow. So
Oh yeah. Next year's garden.
and it won't be as big of a challenge. So Maddie, are you gonna help knock the last little bit out?
Yeah. Anyway,
So
we're gonna wrap up the video. I'm gonna finish the few little potatoes left, turn the soil, and then I've got to get cleaned up and make dinner. Thank you so much for watching our YouTube channel, and we're getting better and better every year. So, and we couldn't do this without you and your support and cheering us on. So go ahead and hit that like button down below. Share our channel with your friends. Chit chat with us in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Have a great day. Bye.